to this video. If it is your first time here, I'm very excited to have you. If you're not new here, then welcome back. So good to see you. It's been such a while since I filmed a makeup video. I'm also going to be talking to you a little bit about what is going on with me right now. It is evening while I'm filming this video, and I'm also talking a little bit about current events. I'm going to be doing a specific part of this makeup look on camera today. It's been a while since I filmed and I don't want to overwhelm myself. I'm going to be using a very special eyeshadow palette. Let me tell you about the eyeshadow palettes I'm going to be choosing from. I've narrowed it down. I have a few more eyeshadow palettes by either Black influencers, collaborations with Black influencers, or it's from a beauty brand owned by a Black person. And I've narrowed it down to these two palettes right here. I know Anastasia is not Black, but Jackie Aina is Black, and I love this palette so much. I've used it a few times before. I don't know what to do, so it's like, should I use this color scheme or should I use this color scheme? You know what, I'm gonna stick with a natural look. And so I have the Coloured Raine palette that I just got from Target, and it looks just like a palette that I could use all the time. These colors, you can just wear them every day, mix and match. And there's a little bit of green in there. I think that's super, super cute, super current. But I feel like this is the perfect palette to use, but then I'm torn because this is new. I've never used it before. Not sure how these shadows are gonna perform. So I am on the Coloured Raine Instagram, and oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. You've gotta check it out. I'm gonna do a screen share so you can see what I'm seeing right now, and I'm just getting inspiration for this makeup look. Wow, how pretty. I'm looking specifically to see if I can find the Smoke Show palette anywhere. This Instagram is goals, you guys. How pretty. Ooh, okay, I know who my new Instagram inspiration is. Jeez, you know what I want. I want them to be pigmented. I want them to show up on my eyelid. I do have a primer on my eyelid. I have a very good one that I've been using lately. I'll link that down below for you. I just got it in like my May Boxy Charm box, so check that out down below. It's really good. I have oily eyelids, I have oily skin. I'm wanting this to blend nicely and all that stuff. I have not looked at reviews. I have not watched other people specifically use this palette on YouTube. I don't know anything about it except for what I just told you, but I'm super excited. Is the black shimmery? The black has a tiny bit of shimmer in it, so you can see it like reflecting a little bit. Wow. Now that is like the prettiest army green. Oh, that's really, really nice. How's it go? Oh. Let's go ahead and get to this eye look. I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit more. And I'm gonna take Naked and just wash over my eyelid. I'm gonna tell you a little story first because I think it's very, very important. And I'm so glad that I was like even aware enough to notice that this is how I was feeling. Should I even say this? I feel awkward saying this. I went to Target looking for a different eyeshadow palette. I didn't go looking for the Coloured Raine Smoke Show eyeshadow palette. I didn't go to Target looking for Coloured Raine. I didn't go to Target looking for specifically a Black owned brand. I didn't. I went looking for a different palette, and they didn't have that palette. But I, like normal, spent like 40 minutes in the makeup section, and I remembered, I was like, oh, I really want to spend my money and buy more Black owned makeup products. So then I decided to look for eyeshadow palette. I was prepared to buy the other eyeshadow palette that I went there for, knowing that that eyeshadow palette was $20. When I saw that this eyeshadow palette with 6 colors was $20, I hesitated. I thought, $20? There's only 6 colors. $20. I was not prepared for Coloured Raine to ask for $20 for an eyeshadow palette. I wasn't prepared for that. I didn't know what their prices were like. To be honest, I always went with a different product in mind. I never really thought about Coloured Raine. And I just want to like back up and preface that with, I do own Black owned makeup products, and I've been buying them for years. I've been using them for years, but I just was not prepared for this to be $20. And I second guessed myself. I was like, am I gonna buy this? I was like, yeah, I'm gonna buy it, but I don't know why I was even griping a little in my head, which is so annoying. I was gonna spend $20 anyway, like what's my problem? Just to bring this home, because you're probably gonna be like, what palette, what palette? It was the Elf and J. Kissa palette that was like $20, and it had like all these colors. It had a ton more colors, but so what? I was gonna spend $20 anyway, and then I decided I wanted to buy a black-owned product, and then I saw it was $20 at a problem all of a sudden. Flammable is what I'm gonna use to darken up in the crease. I think it was a brand that I wasn't even aware of. But I know I'm not the only black woman, who thought that this eyeshadow palette probably could have been priced less. I don't know what to say. I don't even know what else to say about that. I just wanted to put that out there and be super, super real. Now, I'm hoping that I love these colors. You know what I mean? Like, I want them to be pigmented. My whole guess for it being $20 and you only get the 6 colors is the brand is just on the smaller side and they want to make their return. And I get that. I totally get that. But in the moment, when I saw that $20, I wasn't thinking about that. I just thought, ah. Okay, so I just took a quick little break. With dinner, I had this Dunkin' Donuts coffee. I shouldn't have done that. It's like 9:30 now, and I shouldn't have done that. I should have done that. But I love Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Oh my goodness. I do. Okay, so let's talk about the eyeshadow palette and my findings. I'm finding that these colors are pigmented enough. I'm super satisfied with the pigment of them. I'm using a really light hand. If you think they should be more pigmented, it's like 8:30 at night and I really wanted to get on and talk to you guys. And I'm not going anywhere, so maybe I'll use this again and I'll make it more fancy for you. Okay, so let's deepen up the corners. Do we need to do it a little bit more? I'm gonna use a little bit more of Flammable, and I'm also gonna put it down here on my lower lash line. With lesser known brands, like sometimes if they're just starting out, like they have to charge higher prices to stay in business, you know? So I don't know, I also have to keep that in mind when I'm buying from smaller brands in general. But I cried, you guys. I was like, oh my gosh, why would I react like that? I don't know if I'm gonna show you guys the footage of me crying, because I don't know, I'm a little embarrassed, like why? But that's what happened. That is what happened. All right guys, so I have used a lot of shadow and I actually really like this palette. I think it's pretty for like a natural look. I'm looking a little skeletal, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put like my more powder, and then we're going to do my highlighter. I think I'm gonna use the Black Radiance True Complexion highlighter palette. I'll be right back. Okay, I just wanted to mention, I know I said I was gonna come right back, but I just wanted to mention to you guys, there is a concealer that I wanna get. It's the one by Mcgrath. I have not bought it yet. I meant to get it, like, I think at the Sephora VIB sale, which I did buy stuff after that, but I didn't buy anything from Sephora during the VIB sale, and I ended up buying stuff Memorial Day weekend, but I forgot about the concealer that I wanted to buy. I'm using one that I really love right now, but I forgot about buying the Pat McGrath concealer. I really wanted that. Pat McGrath, she's been in the makeup game since Naomi Campbell like became a supermodel, like way back when. Anyone can use this. They're like neutral, and yeah, I really like it. So there's no highlighter color in this palette. So what I'm gonna do is use, oh my gosh, okay, so should I use my Black Radiance True Complexion palette? It's got some highlighter colors in here. Or should I use the Jackie Aina palette? Let's use the Jackie Aina palette, yes. Oh my goodness, please check out her pages, her Instagram, her YouTube. So check out Jackie Aina's socials. You guys, look at this eyeshadow palette that she created for us. Look at it. There's definitely highlighter colors in here. I think I'm gonna go ahead and use this over here. Is that Zam? It's Zam. You guys, I love this color. Also my chin. I know you're like, I can't see anything. What happened? You said this was amazing. That's just my skin. And Zam is a little dark. It's not extremely highlighting. So what I'm also gonna do is go with, what is this? Soleil. Soleil is right here. I'm also gonna take that on the other side and just go on top of Zam. Yay, thank you, girl. Let me show you how these two look together. So Zam on my index finger, Soleil on my middle finger. All right, so I made it a tiny bit dark in here so you could see how it's all going. So you see the highlight coming out. I'm going to do highlight on my eyes, and then we're gonna gloss up my lips. But let me go ahead and finish my eyes with the eyelashes, and I'll be right back. So while I put these eyelashes on, I'm just gonna tell you guys, I do have a favorite creator, and I'm bringing her up in this video because she is black, but I just want you to know, she's been my favorite creator since I first started watching creators on social media doing anything years and years ago. She's been my favorite creator. So I'm just gonna mention her. Her name is Samantha, and her handle on TikTok is Sammy Maria, and she's pretty cool. She's from England. And yeah, I just really love her YouTube channel the most. I don't remember what the underscore is for underscore, what the URL. It's bedtime, seriously. I don't remember what the URL for her YouTube channel is, but I'm gonna link it down below for you guys. Check her out. She does really good travel vlogs and lifestyle vlogs, and she also does a little bit of fashion. So yeah, I'll link her down below just in case you're wondering who my favorite creator is. She just happened to be black, so I'm mentioning her in this video because if you're looking for more black creators to check out, see if you like them, see if you are interested in supporting their work, thank you for being here for my video. And yeah, you can check out her work at the link below. Alright guys, so I am back. I put a little bit more of the dark colors in. I put a little bit more of Flammable. Let me tell you the colors. I put a tiny bit more of Flammable on top of Torch, which is the brown in the middle, and then I put Flammable on the bottom. So my lashes are on. Hopefully they stay. These I've used before, so they previously had glue on them that I had to peel off. I got a little bit of mascara on my nose here. I'm just gonna use a Q-tip to wipe that off because you're supposed to wait till it dries and then wipe it off. I used Soleil. I use that as the highlighter in my inner corner. This look is turning out really pretty. I'm also just gonna go back in with the Coloured Raine Smoke Show palette. And I'm gonna use Cloudy right here on my brow bone, like under here. This color is so neutral, like anyone could use that to brighten up their brow bone. All right guys, so I'm just gonna throw on some lip gloss. I am gonna use my Fenty Gloss Bomb lip gloss because obviously it's the best lip gloss in the world. So this is the whole look, you guys. I am so excited. I love how it came out. It's just glamorous enough for me. You guys, it is way past 9:30. It is time for me to take everything off and go to bed. If you guys have any questions about any of the products that I use that I did not talk about in this video, please write me in the comments down below. For the bonus giveaway question, please in the comments write to me and let me know if you would like to. It's not a requirement for the giveaway, it's just for fun. I would love for you guys to write in the comments down below your favorite brand of beauty product. I'm very interested in what your favorite brand is. I have a few, I don't just have one, but I would love to know what is your favorite beauty brand. I am so excited to use this a lot more for just like everyday natural looks. I know what I have going on right now is like Vava Boom. It's got the lashes, it's got like the Zam and Soleil happening in the inner corner. I made it like glossy, but I love that sort of look. But this is definitely a palette that you could just use for like every day. So I'm going to be using this a lot more. So excited. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, you guys. I have a lot of social media handles and links, but I will let you know that I'm using Cami Stevenson IRL on Instagram and TikTok, and I cannot wait to see you guys over there. Reach out to me, let me know you're there. I can't wait to see you guys on my other socials and also in my next video. Love you. Bye.